Mittens, Mittens, Mittens is watching the live stream with me, huh? We're watching Disney live stream. They're about to watch a concert of Toby Mac, who is a Christian singer. Never seen a concert with a Christian singer. Gonna be interesting, right, Mittens? You're watching it, huh? You like Josh and Jenna? Say follow Josh and Jenna on Resort TV 1. They're the best, right? Mama's gonna go meet them in December. Yeah, she's so excited. Are you excited with this? You can't go see them, but Mama's gonna go see them. So, anybody who loves Disney videos and loves Josh and Jenna, they follow them on Resort TV 1. Right? We also have Corey Meets World. He's awesome too. They are my two favorite Disney YouTubers. Now, listen to Jenna talk. She's waiting for the concert. Mittens is waiting too, huh? She's all comfortable on me. Oh, concert is about to start. Say bye, Mittens.